Hey y'all, welcome back to Journey to Peace with me. So this is a stuffing Sunday on a Wednesday. I know, trifling, right? But we had to deal with back to school, and so Sunday was a bit hectic for me and I wasn't able to film, but I wanted to show you all my stuffing video and I didn't want to be fake about it. So I got the money out of the bank on Monday and I'm filming today on a Wednesday. We were able to make it through based on what was already in those envelopes and categories. So you'll see me take what's out now to refill it. By the way, I cut my hair, so let's go ahead and get, that out of the way. And so I'll be updating you all on that journey. But here we go, let's dive right on it. Oh, I forgot. I am thinking about doing a no spend September. What do you guys think about that? Are you guys willing to join me on no spend September, where we don't spend any money on anything other than necessities? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. But let's get started. So I'm starting with the joint account and I am adding $250 into the grocery category. There is currently $49 there, so that is going to go into the Christmas fund. And then we're going to add my baby girl's aftercare. School has restarted, but I just paid that out of the money that was left over in the school fund. So I'm going to add this to the school sinking fund now. Babies, this one's also going into their sinking fund. We don't have to pay for the last 2 weeks of August, so we'll start back up for them in September. So right now that's going to go into our sinking fund. Date night, we're going to go ahead and put $75 into the date night category. We spent a little bit of money from the date night category this period. We actually did not go on a date just for us. We went on a family date, so we took some money out of there. Restaurants, I'm adding $100. There was $7 left. So we're going to add this to the Christmas fund. And so now we're down to the kids' allowance. We have big girls $20 and each child's $10. So that'll go in the back. And then we have baby girls' gymnastics money. All right, so now we move on to my personal account, and I'm going to add $175 for gas. I overestimate on my gas because I never know how much driving I'm going to do, and when I'm done with the category for the pay period, I just add the money to my car sinking fund. So there's $70 that's going to get added to my car fund, and I am adding the $175 now. My phone bill, you all know how that goes. I'm adding my Tide money. This is my miscellaneous money. I have $5 left in that category, so I'm going to add that to my sinking fund. So restaurants, I add the extra money to that category, so it's $50. I do need to buy lunch today. I didn't pre-plan for today, bad mommy. I was making sure the kids had everything that they needed. Okay, so restaurants, and then all the rest of the money goes into the sinking fund. So that's it for the wallet. All right, so for the sinking fund, I am adding $100 into my friend's wedding account, I'm adding $100 into the vacation fund. $53 is going into my personal, and I'm just gonna go ahead and throw in the $5 that was left over. And every other category gets $22. So birthday gets $22. Christmas gets $22. I'm gonna add the extra money to the Christmas fund here. My car gets a $70 and an extra $22. The school fund gets the leftover money and $22. Home repair gets $22. And the doctor gets $22. So that's it for today's Sinking Sunday on a Wednesday. Hope you guys like this video and you are willing to participate in No Spend September. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.